Hi, my name is Nanette Dietrich, and I'm the professor for ACTE 651 Science Curriculum and Reform. I wanted to begin the course by giving you an overview of our course management system, D2L. Because this is an online course, everything we do will occur within D2L. So it's important that you kind of understand the navigation of D2L to make the course more enjoyable and less frustrating as you navigate D2L. So I'm going to begin the tour by going to the Millersville homepage. It's the easiest way to locate the D2L page. So what you can do very simply is you can go under current students, and you can go down to logins. So choose on the drop down menu logins, and you'll see a big button for D2L. So go ahead and click on D2L. It'll take you to the sign in page for D2L. Click on login, and it'll ask you to put in your credentials, but mine were already in there. And on the side, you'll see a list of all of your courses. I have lots of courses, so my list is a little long. But find Fall 2015 and find ACTE 651. Click on the link, and it'll take you to our D2L homepage. So again, the entire course will be contained within D2L. It'll be our place for content delivery and also to turn in assignments. So let's begin. As you look at the D2L homepage, you'll notice right away that we have contact information. I do have normal traditional office hours. I'm in my office on campus at Millersville on Mondays from 10 to noon and on Tuesdays from 11 to noon. But I'm also available via email, or if you'd like to use my cell phone, you can call, text, or you could email me again at nanette.dietrich@millersville.edu. Also, if you notice, if you're having problems with D2L itself, so if you're having problems accessing it, or if something's not working well that's not content related, but it's technically related, you should call the Technical Assistance Center at Millersville. You can walk in if you want, or they have wonderful telephone support. Here's the number. And the hours are Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., Friday, 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The call center hours are listed here also. The other thing you'll notice is that the video will be linked right here as soon as I'm done recording, and I also have the due dates. There are 6 modules in this course. Each of the modules should take approximately a week to finish. Now, if you notice, I did give you a break for Thanksgiving, but other than that, they should be due every Tuesday night, and a new module is released every Wednesday. So to navigate the course, what you mostly need to know is that all the content for the course is contained in the content section. So I put a very prominent link at the top of the homepage for content. If you click on the icon, it will take you to the content for the course. I would start over here will be a table of contents, and as the course progresses, you will notice that every Tuesday I will release a new module. By doing, the modules are on what we call adaptive release, so they will automatically release every single Tuesday. A new module will show up. The reason for that is it helps you pace yourself, and that also keeps us from working too far ahead and losing that sense of community, which we really do try to foster in that online course. So click on Getting Started. As I said, the course will be open on Monday, but it will not officially start until Wednesday, October 21st. And that's because Millersville is on fall break on Monday and Tuesday. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and click on the course overview. You'll notice that it looks very similar because I sent you all of this information via email last week. So on the course overview, you'll see all the basic information you'll need about the course. It tells you about your guidelines and responsibilities. Most importantly, it tells you that you need to check into D2L every single day, and you need to post, respond, do some content at least 2 different days throughout the week. So you really are expected to at least check in every day but as far as the time of day and where you engage with the course, it's completely up to you. The other thing, I have just a few helpful hints for an online course. First thing we talk about is netiquette. So it's always important to remind yourself about online communication and how without having a face and facial expressions, things can very easily be misconstrued. We'll also look at assessment. Keep in mind that this is a graduate level course. So the content in the course is at a graduate level. That includes the reading, it includes the assignments, and also the quality of the responses that you give should be at the graduate level. You'll get a few information about course participation and how I grade discussion board posts. And one thing just to keep in mind, if you meet all expectations on the discussion board, you will earn a passing grade of a B, and going above and beyond is how you will earn that grade of an A. Most importantly, it says you should bring in outside resources, share new insights, bring related topics to the discussion. You should be working to move the discussion forward, and that would be an A. So that is kind of the overview of the course itself. You can go back to the Getting Started, and you'll also see that I provide a checklist. The checklist is a PDF that will open up, and the purpose of the PDF, all I do is create just a quick checklist that you can print out and keep track of all the assignments that are due. And this is only for your own organization. It's nothing you have to turn in, but students have found it really helpful to have, just a list of assignments and activities that they can keep track of their own progress. So that's there. And then on Wednesday morning, I'm going to happily expect you to begin working on Module 1. The topic of Module 1 is, what is STEM? So I'm looking forward to having a journey with you for the next 7 weeks, and I hope that you really enjoy your very first course in the STEM endorsement program. Thank you, and I'll see you online soon. Bye.